A day in a life as a grade 2 teacher. First, scan my card, then open the door. It's comfy day today, and I don't mind the people there. And let's open the light. The light is open. Don't mind that, because that's just a kid. Let's pack our bags because it's like short trip today, so I'm gonna go back when I finish packing. There, of course, I pack my bags. I'm gonna go to the van. I'm in the school bus, just turn off the lights, get my bag. I'll see you soon when I get in the. I'm here at the bus. Let's open the door now. I go. Open the lights. It's like in there. Open the fan. Of course. Let's do the air conditioner. My bob's there, so I can put there. Now put my bag here. I'm gonna unpack my bag. So yeah, I got this double squishy and this. I just unpack it. So see you later, cause I'm gonna sleep now. Because it's a long trip and I'm gonna wait for the kids to arrive. So yeah, I'm hungry, so let's go to the cafeteria to eat some steam. What's that? Wait, that's just... I got my food here. Now, bye guys, because this is the end. Because we are already going. Bye.